So Xiaomi has just launched the Mi 9T here in Malaysia. It is the global version of the K20, which is the little brother of the K20 Pro. It sports a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and it's rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset. It also has 6GB of RAM and either 64 or 128GB of non-expandable storage. It also has a 4000 mAh battery, which I'm beginning to think it's kind of like the standard for 2019. Unlike the Mi 9, instead of having a notch, it is using a pop-up selfie camera that is housing a 20-megapixel front-facing camera and this crazy blue LED, which at first I thought it was kind of weird, but then it's actually using it to light the notification LED as well. But that is actually on the top of the pop-up camera module, so yeah, still kind of weird. On the rear, it has a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel main shooter, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. It is jammed with features like AI camera, night mode, and more. Here are a couple more bells and whistles of the Mi 9T. It has NFC, dual nano SIM slots, an under-display fingerprint reader, and support for 18-watt fast charging. So it's a pretty good mid-range device overall, and after using it for a few days, I think it's a bloody good phone for its price. It's got a really premium feel to it, though I'm not a huge fan of the red flame and glacial blue, but the carbon black is... But I do have one gripe with it, and that's the Type-C port being slightly lower than usual. Now, it's not really apparent right away, but after trying to plug a Type-C cable in the dark, it's actually quite apparent, and that is a deal breaker for me. To conclude, if Xiaomi were to launch the Mi 9T Pro, that would be fire because it shares a lot of similarities with the 9T, except with beefier specs. Otherwise, this is definitely a good pickup if you're looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys like it. Let us know down in the comment section below what do you guys think of the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Unacceptable!